Today we are going to talk about simple present passive voice. Then passive voice tenses are started by object, but active voice tenses are started by subject. Okay, in active voice tenses, in active voice, simple present tense, subject plus verb plus object plus rest. Active voice, simple present tense. But when we come to simple present passive voice, the structure is this one. Passive voice, simple present tense structure. This is the active voice, simple present tense structure. Make a active voice well a simple present tense structure. Look at the screen, look at the structure. Subject plus verb plus object plus rest. She buys vegetables in the market, like that. She buys vegetables in the market. He writes a letter to her friend. Next, I buy new clothes. Mother washes clothes. The woman prepares dinner. These are the active voice tenses. All the active voice tenses are started by subject. The active voice tenses එකක් නම් පටන් ගන්නේ subject එකකින්. Subject එක, object එක, verb එක. Sorry, subject එක, verb එක, object එක. Active voice tenses. But when we come to passive voice tenses, we should start our sentence using object at the beginning of the sentence. Api passive voice tenses වලදී අපි එක පටන් ගන්නේ object එකේ. Object. Next, we should put a be verb considering this object. අපි be verb එක තියෙනවා මේ object එක සලකලා. If there is a singular object, we should put is. If there is a plural subject, we should put are. If the object is I, we should put am. Object එකට අනුව තමයි දැන් මෙතන be verb එක තියන්නේ. Object එක singular නම් is. Object එක plural නම් are. Object එක විදිහට I නම් එන්නේ. We should put am. අපි am කියන එක තමයි be verb එක විදිහට use කරන්නේ. Next, after the be verb, next we should put verb in past participle form. We should put verb in past participle form. අපි verb එක තියෙනවා past participle form එකේ. Gone, come, bought, brought, watched, caught, sunk, driven. ඒ විදිහට verb එකේ third form එක. Past participle form එකෙන් මෙතන verb එක තියෙනවා passive voice වලදී. Next, we can mention the doer if we want. අපිට ඕන නම් doer කියන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි අපි passive voice use කරන්නෙම doer දන්නේ නැත්නම්නේ. doer කියන්නේ නැත්නම්නේ. ඒ නිසා මේක use කරන්නේ නැතුව ඉන්නත් පුළුවන් passive voice tenses වලදී. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපිට by කියලා use කරලා we can mention the doer. ඊට පස්සේ doer mention කරන්න පුළුවන්. කොහොම හරි passive voice tenses වලදී ඕනම tense එකක අපි use කරන්නේ මේ verb එක past participle form එකකින්. දැන් මේ simple present tense නේ. Simple present, simple past, simple future, present perfect, passive voice. ඕනම passive voice එකක verb එක past participle form එකකින් තියෙනවා. අපි tense එක හඳුනගන්නේ කොතනින්ද? මෙන්න මෙතනින්. am is තියෙනවා නම් ඒක simple present tense. ඒතර verb be verb එක විදිහට was තිබ්බනම් then that is the simple past tense passive voice sentence. එතකොට ඒක simple past tense passive voice sentence එකක්. am ඉස්සා තියෙනවා නම් ඒක simple present tense passive voice sentence එකක්. Okay, object. Next, am is are. Next, verb in past participle form. Next, we can mention doer if we want. අපිට ඕනේ නම් doer mention කරන්න පුළුවන්. This is the positive structure of simple present tense sentences in passive voice. මේක තමයි passive voice වල simple present tense එකේ positive structure එක. Okay, now look at the screen. Active voice sentence. I eat mangoes. I is the subject. Eat is the verb. Mangoes, this is the object of this sentence. I is the subject. Eat is the verb. Mangoes is the object. Then when we come to passive voice, we should take the object at the beginning of the passive voice sentence. අපි passive voice වලට එද්දී අපි මේ object එක passive voice sentence එකේ මුලට ගේන්න ඕන. Then mangoes. Then we should start the passive voice sentence using mangoes because mangoes is the object of this sentence. Mangoes තමයි මේ sentence එකේ object එක වෙන්නේ. Mangoes. Mangoes is a plural noun. Mangoes කියන්නේ plural noun එකක්. Then we should put the be verb. We should put are as the be verb. Mangoes are. Then what is the third form of eat? What is the third form? The third form is eat. The third form of eat is eaten. Eaten. Mangoes are eaten. If we want to mention the doer, we can say mangoes are eaten by me. By me. And also we can say mangoes are eaten. Both sentences are correct. Next, active voice sentence. A lot of people speak English around the world. A lot of people speak what? English. Then English is the object of this sentence. Look at this one. I eat what? Mangoes. Then mangoes is the object of this sentence. When we come to this sentence, a lot of people speak English around the world. A lot of people speak what? English. Then English is the object of this sentence. Then when we come to passive voice sentences, we should take the object at the beginning of the sentence. English. English is an uncountable noun. Then we should use is. Is. English is. This is the third form of speak. Make it my third form. Make a speak කියන verb එකේ. Then the sentence is English is spoken around the world by a lot of people. English is spoken around the world by a lot of people. Next, English, and also we can say English is spoken around the world. Okay, if you don't want to mention the doer, we can say English is spoken around the world. අපිට doer mention කරන්න ඕනේ නැත්තම් ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු කියන එක mention කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරනවා ලෝකෙ පුරාම කියලා විතරයි අපිට කියන්න ඕනේ. එහෙමනම් අපිට මේ second sentence එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. කවුද කතා කරන්නේ කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඉංග්‍රීසි ලෝකෙ පුරාම කතා කරනවා කියන එක තමයි second sentence එකේ meaning එක වෙන්නේ. Then this is the passive voice sentences. This is active voice. This is passive voice. This is active voice. Then active voice and passive voice. In active voice, the subject is I. When we come to passive voice, by me. Active voice එකේ subject එක විදිහට I තියෙනවා නම් අපි doer passive voice එකක mention කරන වෙලාවෙදි කියන්නේ by I නෙවෙයි. Then it is wrong. We should say by me. By me. If the subject is we should say by us. Subject එක we නම් අපි කියන්න ඕනි us. By us. Okay. You by you. They by them. Not by they. Okay. We should say by them. Next, she. We should say in passive voice by her. By her. Next, it. In active voice, when we go to passive voice, we should say by it. Okay, now look at these sentences. Active voice and passive voice sentences. Several students ask questions every day. Several students, ළමයි කිහිප දෙනෙක් අහනවා ප්‍රශ්න හැමදාම. Several students ask questions every day. Then what is the object? How to find the object? මොකක්ද මේකේ object එක? අපි කොහොමද object එක හොයන්නේ? We should ask a question what or whom. මොකක්ද නැත්නම් කාටද කියලා අහන්න ඕනේ. Then the sentence several students ask what? Questions. Then questions is the object of this sentence. Questions is the object of this sentence. Then when we go to passive voice, questions is the object. We should start the passive voice sentence using questions. Questions is plural verb, plural noun. Questions is plural noun. Then we should use are. Questions are the third form of the verb that is ask is asked. Then the sentence is questions are asked every day by several students. Questions are asked by every day by several students. This one is asked, not asked. Okay, asked it asked. Questions are asked every day by several students. And also we can say questions are asked every day. It's also correct. අපිට එතනින් sentence එක නවත්තන්නත් පුළුවන් passive voice වලදී. මොකද අපි මේක දන්නවා නම් අපිට මේකම use කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැතුව මේක use කරන්නේ ඇයි passive voice මෙයාව දන්නේ නැත්තම්. Okay? Both sentences are correct, grammatically correct. Second sentence. People visit Italy every day. People visit what? Italy. Then Italy is the object of this sentence. Italy is the object of this sentence. Then when we come to passive voice, this is the object. Italy is an uncountable noun. Then we should use Italy is. Italy is. Visited is the third form of visit. Visit කියන එකේ third form එක visited. Italy is visited every day by people. Okay. तर අපි මෙතනදී මේ tense එකේ මුලින්ම sentence එකේ object එක හොයා ගන්නවා. Object එක මුලට අරගෙන ඇවිල්ලා passive voice sentence එක හදන්න තියෙනවා. එතනදී object එක plural ද singular ද කියන එක බලලා අපි ඒකට ගැලපෙන විදිහට be verb එක use කරනවා. Subject මේ verb එක මොන tense එකට වුණත් passive voice නම් use කරන්නේ past participle verb එක. Visited, asked. Okay, these are the third form of these verbs. මේ verbs වල මෙන්න මේ verbs වල third forms තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. Okay, next. Doctor gives medicine to the patient. Doctor gives what? Medicine. Then medicine is the object of this sentence. Doctor දෙනවා මොනවද? Medicine. Then medicine is the object of this sentence. Then the passive voice sentence is medicine. Medicine is an uncountable noun. Medicine is an uncountable noun. Then we should use is as the be verb. Medicine is next given. Medicine is given to the patient by doctor. Given is the third form of give. Given කියන එක තමයි third form එක වෙන්නේ give කියන verb එකේ. Then the sentence is medicine is given to the patient by doctor. Okay, Imasha, tell me, there is one sentence, there is another answer for this question. තව answer එකක් තියෙනවා මේ for this active voice sentence. මේ active voice sentence එකට තව answer එකක් තියෙනවා. What is it? Because there are two objects of this sentence. Doctor gives what medicine? Doctor gives whom? කාටද? Patient. Then patient is also object of this sentence. Okay, Imasha, give me second answer.
The patient is given to the medicines by doctor.
Yes, very good. The patient is, sorry, the sentence is, the patient is given medicine by doctor. To use කරන්න ඕනේ නෑනේ අපි එතනට. The patient is given medicine by doctor. Okay. Next. Mother washes our clothes every morning. Mother is the subject of this sentence. Then washes is the object of this sentence. Our clothes. This is the, sorry, washes is the verb of this sentence. Our clothes. This is the object of this sentence. Then the passive voice sentence is our clothes. Our clothes is a plural noun. Then we should say our clothes are washed every morning by mother. Our clothes are washed. Washed is the past participle form of wash, of the verb that is wash. Wash කියන verb එකේ past participle form එක තමයි washed. Because wash is a regular verb. Wash කියන regular verb එක. तर අපි third form එක හදද්දි past participle form එක හදද්දි we can add only ed. අපිට ed විතරක් add කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then the passive voice sentence is our clothes are washed every morning by mother. Okay, now tell me, did you understand what are the active voice sentences are and what are the passive voice sentences are? Did you understand? How to form the passive voice sentence using active voice sentence? කොහොමද passive voice sentence එකක් හදන්නේ active voice sentences use කරලා කියලා? Should I explain again? Malki, didn't you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, didn't you understand? Okay, you did understand. You understood. Okay. Then now you can answer for these questions. I plant many plants in my garden. මම හිටවනවා ගොඩක් පැල මගේ ගෙවත්තේ. This is the active voice sentence. I plant many plants in my garden. I plant what? Many plants. Then many plants is the object of this sentence. Okay. Now give me the passive voice sentence using this active voice sentence, Imasha.
Many plants are planted in my garden by me.
Yes, very good. Many plants are planted in my garden by me. Next sentence. He takes thousands of photographs every day. He takes, එයා ගන්නවා photographs 1000ක් විතර ගන්නවා දවස ගන්න හැමදාම. He takes what? Thousands of photographs. Then this is the object of this active voice sentence. Okay, now make the passive voice sentence of this active voice sentence. Malki.
Thousands of photographs are taken every day by him.
Yes, very good. Thousands of photographs are taken every day by him. Next sentence. My brother makes a kite using papers. My brother makes what? A kite. Then a kite. This is the object of this sentence. Okay. Give me the passive voice sentence of this active voice sentence. Sashikala.
A kite is made using papers by my brother.
Yes, very good. A kite is made using papers by my brother. Next sentence. People talk English as their mother language. People talk what? English. Then English is the object of this sentence. Okay, give me the passive voice sentence of this active voice sentence. Imasha.
English is talked as their mother language by people.
Yes, very good. English is talked as the mother language by people. That is the passive voice sentence. Next, they draw new beautiful pictures for the competition. They draw what? New beautiful pictures. Then this is the object of this active voice sentence. Okay, give me the passive voice sentence of this sentence. Malki.
New beautiful pictures are drawn for the competition by them.
Yes, very good. New beautiful pictures are drawn for the competition by them. New beautiful pictures are drawn for the competition by them. That is the passive voice sentence of this active voice sentence. Next sentence.